My name is James Butterfield. I'm a design principal with Perkins Eastman. I have about 30 years experience working on academic buildings just like this one. This is the Nursing and Science building for Rutgers University-Camden. On this project, we have this grand corridor system on multi-floors that offers spectacular views of downtown Camden, and designing an exterior wall that would allow us to feature those views and create a setting for students that could manage the solar incidents that we have on the facade was a really important one, and that required us to develop a strategy that was customizable. And the Kawneer 1600 system was a good answer for us. In particular, allowed us to provide a customized shading system to make the corridor system here and the active zones as comfortable as possible. Kawneer is a good system to use. It met our budget requirements and allowed us to be expressive in solving some of these challenges.